Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed and welcome in lecture number 14. Today we are going to discuss about the Inflector helpers. So basically Inflector helper contains some procedural functions that allows you to change the English words to singular, plural and the camel case like that. Okay, we have learned how can you manage your HTML forms using Codeigniter for helper, which is a form helper. Okay, now I'm going to comment all the code so you can easily get the code. Now we are going to use the Inflector helper. Before using any helper, you have to load that helper. So I'm saying helper, your helper name goes here. So what is the helper? I'm saying Inflector. Now go to the page, refresh the page, because this is the index method and I'm accessing this class or this controller. It's not showing anything because you have not the echoes like this. Okay, now it's working. You have loaded the Inflector helper. If you assign the wrong helper, for suppose this is the wrong helper, go to the page, refresh the page, it will give you the error. It's not giving currently because this is not the stable version. This is the alpha version of the Codeigniter 4. Okay, but it will give you the error. Okay, we have successfully loaded. Now we have a function like singular. Now it takes few parameters. If you give the string dogs, it will convert the string from dogs to dog because it's a singular. Okay, now if you give if you use the plural and if you say this is the dog, now go to the page, refresh the page. So now it's saying dogs. Now I'm going to comment this one. So as you can see, it's saying dogs and I'm giving the dog here. You can also okay, now I'm saying I'm going to assign this in a variable. I'm saying my dog, it's dog. Now I'm saying plural and I'm going to assign the variable like this. Now echo this one. I'm echoing this plural. Now as you can see, it's still showing you the dog. The first element is the dog. Now I'm going to use the BR so you can easily differentiate. Okay, now it's a dog and now it's a dog. It's converting the dog from dogs to dog and now it's converting from dog to dogs. Okay, so this is the singular and the plural. Now if you use the camelize echo, camelize form, now you can pass some string here. I'm saying that my cat is fine. Now go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, I'm going to use the BR here so you can easily differentiate. Okay, now as you can see, it's saying you my cat is fine. Okay, now if you use the underscore, it's a function, copy this bad boy, paste this bad boy here. Now I'm saying I'm going to access another functions underscore. Now copy the same string from here, pass the string here. So now go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's adding the underscore here. Okay, now if you have the, just a second, humanize method, and if you have your string like this, use this string here, it will convert your string, this string, readable format. So this is your original string, you're passing this string here, and it's converting your string from this to this one. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other useful helper in Codeigniter 4. So thank you for watching.